A very happy Ganesha Chaturthi to you all. I hope you enjoyed very well in this festival. Today I received a message from one of the page follower wherein he is seeking a help for dust allergy, because of which he is having a problem, a lot of health issues like unable to breathe, unable to sleep in the night, and it is giving a lot of trouble to him, and cold cough and sometimes the nose blockage and all. It happens only because when you have a lot of toxins in your lungs and body especially. So for this, what we have to do, let's discuss. First and for the most importantly, we have to find out what is root cause for it. Actually, we cannot overcome through this dust allergy, because it can happen to from 0 to old age as well, and wherever you go you will find the dust, especially in India. So the only way we have to know that, like you have to clean always, like wherever you stay, it could be in the room or house, wherever you stay, wash your bed spreads or screens or everything once in a while, and then clean the house properly and keep some indoor plants which will give lot of oxygens, like money plant or any other things whichever you like, that you can keep in the house. Also, like no major people have this food lifestyle where they eat all junk foods, and that is also the major cause for all this. I'm not saying, and like you may think like what is this, like what is the correlation between the food and the dust allergy. Yes, it is there. Like whatever you eat, it will be affecting for your lifestyle, and especially our body is designed in such a way, whatever it happens it will take care of itself. But the problem is we are not giving enough nutritions and supplements to our body. That is why we are like facing all these health issues. And like whenever you have a lot of toxins because of this external pollutions, dust, or like negative thoughts, emotions, all this you go and sit in your body, which is causing all these problems. So how it has, but whatever the toxins get inside, it has to come out one or the other way. That is why we all face this cold cough, sinus issues, running nose, all this. So how we can overcome this dust allergy? Only through first and foremost we need to know why we are getting this. I mean, like is there any particular reason why I'm getting this problem? Find out. It could be like the food what you're taking maybe is not suiting to your body, so find out that. Or if you're smoking, that is not suiting you, so avoid smoking. And not only avoiding smoking, also you should not become a passive smoker. It's very very important. And it could be your traveling, so any reasons it could be. So find out the root cause why it is happening to you and avoid that completely. The other thing is you have to consume lot of vitamin C. Vitamin C is available in all the citrus fruits like orange, lemon, noni, rosella, or tamarind. And Indian kitchen is the best place for any kind of medicines. You know what? If you consume lot of onion, garlic, ginger, and then chili, all this pepper, all this will help you to overcome this dust allergy or sinus issue, runny nose, cold cough, whatever you have the problem. And do some exercise early morning. You can go for a walk or run, or do some yogasana, pranayama, surya namaskar, all this will help you. In Ganapati especially, we suggest to the people to get rid of toxins like Gano tea. If you keep taking a Gano tea every day, it will be you will be able to remove all the toxins which is accumulated in your body, and then you can overcome the health problem whatever you have. And the other thing is, it Ayurveda, it don't look for an immediate solution. One day you eat and the next day you expect the results. That is not gonna happen. It takes time. Every day you have to eat. Like baby, once the baby get birth, we will feed, and then day by day, year by year, it will grow, right? Similarly, you have to make an habit of eating a good foods, then only you'll be able to live a healthy life and longer life. And if you have any major issues like you are not able to control, it is in the end stage, so you have to consult the experts and the doctors, and then you have to follow the instructions. If it is in an initial stage, you can do whatever the things I told you right now. So first and foremost, make sure you are finding the root cause and avoiding it. The second thing is, you take the food which is very very good for your health. Also, start consuming the superfoods and natural foods, avoid junk foods, then it will give you the definite results. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this will give you the hints to follow and then get rid of your dust allergy. Take care. Bye bye.